Okay fellas, I have the Eibenstock core drill and it's making some noise and like burning motor or something, so I will open the handle and take the motor out. I think it will be the armature or the ball bearing. I will start from the back. And you can try to spin the anvil to check the armature. It's in one place, it not looks very good. You can see that the brushes is good. I can take them out and a lot of brushes is left here. Okay, then now I will unscrew the 4 screws here in the front and try to remove the armature. So long screws with the plastic washers. The rubber, and you can see that it's O-rings here in the aluminum housing when it's the plastic. And here we have our armature. It looks pretty good. It's a little bit wobble here. See the ball bearing. The housing itself is good, and it looks like we have some damage or something. And I will try to remove the armature. And you can see that the armature was touching the field here. And here, and okay, I need to remove the armature, and I can try to do that with the 2 screwdrivers by pushing it out. Nope, cannot get it out like that. So I will try to hammer it. If not, I will open the gear housing. Okay, I think I need to open it, it's not going easily. So taking the O-rings. And trying to separate the housing. We'll try to put a screwdriver here. It's a small gap in the gasket, so I don't want to damage the gasket. Okay. Now we have the clutch here. You can see that all grease looks good. Okay, now the armature itself, why it's moving a lot. Okay, it seems moving not from here and not from here, so it can be the motor problem. Yep, you can see that the motor here is born. Not seen it from the first time. And it can be that our field is damaged too. By the way, here we have all the black line here. Okay, I will try to check if I can get the new armature or not, but I think I can get it, and of course make a test by replacing the armature. And I have received the replacement parts. We have the armature here, and it looks pretty the same size and so on. The new one have plastic protection for the windings here in the front. Okay, so I have changed the armature, and sorry not captured that on camera because my hydraulic press is just laying on the ground. Okay, now we can see that the grease here is really good. We have the pin here and the hole here, so I will align them. Maybe I will clean it here. So the pin and the hole. Oops, almost not dropped it. Okay, seems good. We'll try to get it fit. Yep. Okay, it's not perfectly aligned now, but the bolts will do that, and it spins. Really, that's good. Okay. Yep, and now we can put the dust protection here. I was inserted in the wrong position. Okay, now we have our houses together, and forgot the O-rings here in the holes. Now getting it back again, and of course putting the screws with the plastic washers. Okay, the screws are in, and I will try to spin it in the armature somehow. Yep, it spins. So now I will change the brushes. We have genuine brushes here from Eibenstock, authorized dealer in Lithuania. It seems a little weak for me, but okay. And I see that I put it upside down. Yep. Okay, so I will use the 4 screws here and spin it around. Okay, now it seems good. Sorry for that, because if you are doing that step by step, you made the same mistake as me. What we have here, we have the switch with the wires. I think I will mount the handle, and then I will try to test the drill. Okay. And basically now we can test our drill, and of course to check if it works perfectly. Can't remember if I was wanted to change this or not, but we will know that soon. Okay. Yep, so it's working nicely and not intermittently or something, so not no sparks here, so that's good for us. Okay, that's a good sign, so I'm plugging it out. Disconnecting the cord, and I will manage the wires here to get them all in the gaps. Okay, I'm not sure about that blue wire. A bit fit here. Of course, don't press too hard when you're pressing the wires with a screwdriver like I do, because if you press too hard, then you can damage the wire. Okay, the cord protection. Our small plastic piece. And here. I will press it later, I think. Plug, and of course 2 screws for the handle, and now we can test it again. Or something, so it's working very good.